Boy, we got this sacrum right here is rotated posteriorly on the left because of the shift of the pelvis. So we're going to take a deep breath into your belly, all the way out, relaxing this forward right here.
Oh, freedom!
That was a pretty earthy drop, sinking into that sacrum, like a deeper set. This is not going to be quite as deep. It's more of a glide from that sacroiliac joint. So deep breath in, let that all the way out, relaxing this forward. Nice.
Totally different.
Calcaneus inversion. There we go.
Oh yeah.
A little bit in the midfoot. We're gonna hit the C2. There it is. Through the SCM. There we go.
Dude, that was new.
Switching right here. Okay. Rotating to me. Brother, deep breath in. Put these feet up. Let that all the way out. There it was.
Wow.
The upper rib.
That was big.
Yeah. Yeah, feel
That's
how that
so
goes.
much
Never know.
better.
Yeah.